Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to the Finance Current Affairs session. In today's session, we are going to discuss two very important news articles of finance. The first news article is regarding the Union Bank of India that has launched the Union Vyom app. This is a very important app, and in this session, we are also going to discuss the important features of this app. As well as on the 104th Foundation Day, there are other products that has been launched by the Union Bank of India, like the Union Muskan, the Union Sparsh. So all of those are very important. Okay, you have to at least know that what they do. So those are also being covered in this session. As well as the second news article is regarding the MOU, a big MOU that has been signed between two big organizations. One is the B, that is the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, and the other is the SIDBI. So the MOU has been signed, and you have to remember that the MOUs, the partnerships, the apps that has been launched, the initiatives. From all these news articles, direct question can be asked, let it be NABARD, RBI or SEBI. In such kind of regulatory bodies exam, the direct questions can be asked from these topics. So you have to be very careful. You have to understand the news articles very clearly, okay? And direct questions can be asked, so it will be like easy for you to understand and remember. So now, before starting with this important session, there is a big announcement from EduTap that EduTap has brought for you the comprehensive guide for RBI, NABARD and SEBI. So through a single guidebook, you can get all the answers of your common queries. If you want to know about the examination, that what is the pattern of the exam, what are the previous year cutoff of the exam, and what is the syllabus of the exam, all those questions can be answered through a single guidebook. You do not have to visit different links. You do not have to visit different websites. Even if you want to know about the preparation for the exam, that what should be the sources for the exam and what should be the strategy for the preparation, all those questions can be answered through a single guidebook, okay? And your time and effort is absolutely being saved, that all your common queries are answered through a single guidebook. So you can download this guidebook, that is absolutely free of cost, okay? So the link is given in the description box below. So do download this guidebook. That is going to save your time and effort, and that is going to increase the level of your understanding regarding the exam, okay? So now, starting with the first news article, that is regarding the Union Bank of India that has launched the Super App. So the Union Bank of India has launched its Super App. So first of all, the Union Bank of India, it is the country's 5th largest public sector bank, and you have to remember that it was established on 11th November 1919, and a unique thing about this bank is that its first head office was inaugurated by the father of the nation, that is Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so in the 104th Foundation Day of the bank, the Vyom app has been launched, and this Union Vyom app, this is the super app of the bank. So this is a very important app for the bank because it is the super app for the bank. So the Union Vyom app, the super app of the bank, it is the one-stop solution for all the financial products that the bank is providing. The Vyom app is empowered to deliver a unique experience of the banking to its customers, where the customer can do transactions beyond traditional banking. So it is not only talking about sending your money to the third party. Okay, it is also talking about the transaction that is beyond traditional banking. We can even do the investments through this app. So this is a very important app. So let's see that what the app can do, what are the features of this app. So apart from online transactions, it can do, like through the Vyom app, you can do the online transactions, but that is the simple kind of banking service that is being provided. Other than the online transactions, the beyond the traditional banking means that through this app, the customer can avail retail, MSME loan, the credit card, make investment in 5,000 plus mutual fund schemes. So you can even invest in such mutual fund schemes. You can buy the insurance product directly without any assistance. So that's what the beyond traditional banking, that you can do the transactions beyond traditional banking. It is providing, the app is providing a range of financial products, a range of financial services through the app. Okay, so it is a very important app. As well as the app is also enabled with the lifestyle category that provides you with the booking of the flights. You can do the booking of the flights, the hotels, the gift card, you can get the donations, you can do, and much more you can do through this app. Now coming to, like, on the 104th, why we discuss the 104th Foundation Day, because in the 104th Foundation Day, that was on 11th November 2022, there was also much new products that were released by the Union Bank of India. And the Union Bank of India is known for its tech savvy and the customer centric bank. Okay, it is known as tech savvy and customer centric bank, and now it has released the following products. So here you can see that these products, these 5 very important products has been released by the Union Bank of India. So starting with Union Sparsh. Sparsh means touch. So that is a touch debit card. This is specially for the visually impaired. So it is a touch debit card which is specially for the touch or braille credit card, we can say, that is specially for the visually impaired. Union Muskan. Muskan is smile. Okay, and when we hear about smile, we hear about the children. So this Union Muskan, it is a zero bank saving account for the children of 0 to 18 years of age. It has the facility of term insurance, accidental death insurance, SMS banking, NEFT, IMPS at no cost. At no cost at all, the children can have a saving account. They can have different kind of insurances, NEFT, IMPS they can do. Also avail education loan or concessional rate. Now when you cross the age of 16, you have cleared your class 12th, let's say, so you go to the college. Now there comes the thing about going to a good college and you need money for that. So the educational loans are being provided through this Union Muskan on the concessional rates. So this is also a very good thing for the students, for the children. As well as this is going to build a habit of saving among the children. This is going to bring financial awareness for the children, that we have a bank account, we have a checkbook, we have this services that we can take. So they have more financial literacy, more financial awareness for when they grow up. Okay. Union Channel Finance, a fully automated financing solution for the finance to dealers. This is for the dealers, especially for the dealers that have the original equipment manufacturing. So for the dealers that are engaged in the original equipment manufacturing or that are connected with the original equipment manufacturing, they are originally creating some equipment. So to finance, providing them automated financing solution. This is the idea for the Union Channel Finance. Union Digi Sahaj. Sahaj means easiness. So it is a online account opening platform to open the saving account instantly. This is providing the ease and the convenience to the customer. For the customer's experience, the Digi Sahaj is the online saving account opening platform. Okay. Next is Saras. Union Saras. Saras actually means easy. Okay. Saras. Now here the Saras has a full form. So you have to remember the full form very clearly. Saras means the stressed asset recovery automated solution. So Union Saras, this is the product that is providing the easiness. It is providing the automated route to recover the stressed assets. Okay. So it is the effective. A portal named Stressed Asset Recovery Automated Solution. This is developed for easy resolution, for early resolution and effective management of the stressed assets, having end-to-end processing automation. So it is the fully automated route that is providing for the stressed asset resolution and recovery and all recovery and legal proceedings. This is for the complete legal proceedings, the complete recovery proceedings. So stressed assets are those assets like the loan that you have given, but the loan is not coming back. So the loan that you had given, that was the asset for me. Like I have given you 1,000 rupees and I am getting 100 rupees on that every month. So that 1,000 rupees that I have given you, that is the asset for me because I am getting some income over it. So that asset now is not coming back. You are saying I am not giving you back your 1,000 rupees. I am not even giving you the interest. So that is the stressed asset. Okay. So for the stressed asset recovery, that how I recover, the automated route has been made by the Union Saras. Next, coming the benefits of the products that we have already seen. The Sparsh, Union Sparsh, it is for spatial touch or braille debit card, especially for the visually impaired. The Muskan is for the children to develop a saving habit, to have them inculcate the financial awareness, help parents to secure and build a corpus for a child's future. Channel Finance, it is highly scalable with latest security features to provide the finance to the original equipment manufacturers and the corporates. Okay. Union Digi says this is for the best customer service experience to help them open the savings account easily in the automated route. Union Saras portal, this provide the best and most effective automated recovery systems for the stressed assets. So this is the benefits of the product. You have to remember the name. The name is very important. Okay. Now the MOU has been signed between the Bureau of Energy Efficiency and the SIDBI. So the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, this is under the Ministry of Power, and the SIDBI is the Small Industries Development Bank of India. So they both have combined together. That is the Bureau of Energy Efficiency. That means we are going to talk about energy efficiency. as well as SIDBI is working for MSMEs. SIDBI work for MSMEs, that is the micro, small and medium enterprises. So we are also going to talk about the MSMEs. So that is bringing the energy efficiency among the MSMEs. So this is the aim of the MOU, we can say. So they both have come together, they both have signed the MOU in November only. So the MOU will aim to promote the energy efficiency financing for MSMEs, to provide the finance, to provide the money for making the MSMEs more energy efficient. Energy efficient means that efficiently utilizing the energy resources. We have to start utilizing our energy resources very efficiently, okay? So simply put, energy efficiency means using less energy to do the same job, or to produce a same stuff or service or product. So, and in the process, cutting energy bills and reducing pollution. So many products, homes, they use the energy in not so efficient way, and so the inefficiencies and the energy waste is being generated. Okay, so now the MSMEs have to start efficiently utilizing the energy resources, and the MOU, through the MOU, the finance is being provided to the MSMEs so that they can work on the energy efficiency. Okay, as well as the money is being provided, or the MOU aim to explore the Internet of Things for the MSMEs, so to provide them the IoT based solution. So the IoT is like the Internet of Things. It is going to provide the connectivity of the devices in the MSMEs. It is going to provide a secure, safe environment for the transfer of the data, for the transfer of the information, and the easy, like the faster information transfer we can do. So the MOU also has the aim for the exploring the Internet of Things based solutions for the MSMEs. Greening MSMEs. Greening MSMEs means that reducing the emissions, reducing the pollution level that the MSMEs are doing. So making them more greener, okay, so that they do less of the emissions. Capacity building for the MSMEs. So you have understood that first aim is to provide them energy efficiency finance for the MSMEs, so that they do the same thing and they have less energy waste. They have less energy waste, and to reduce the inefficiencies that they are doing with the energy resources. Okay, to utilize the energy resources to the maximum of its capacity, to efficiently, to utilize the energy resources efficiently. The MOU has been signed, and also to provide the IoT based solutions, the greener MSMEs, to make them a greener MSMEs. Now there are other partnerships also that has happened. Like the SIDBI has signed MOUs with the German Development Agency, and for operating a risk sharing facility. So the German Development Agency will share the risk that provides credit guarantees. So the German Development Agency will provide the credit guarantees for the loans from the commercial banks or non-banking financial companies for the MSMEs. So if MSMEs are taking the loans, the German Development Agency is going to provide the credit guarantee. So the risk is divided between the commercial banks that are providing the loan and the German Development Agency that is providing the guarantee. Okay. So this is for the risk sharing facility. As well as two other MOUs were signed with the, one is signed with the TFEC and the other MOU is signed with the CII, that is the Confederation of Indian Industry by the SIDBI. So SIDBI has signed two other MOUs. One MOU is signed with the TFEC and the other MOU is signed with the CII to identify and promote scalable, green and clean technologies by MSMEs. Okay, so to make them more green, more clean, so that they do not do more emissions, they do not do more pollution. Now why the SIDBI is doing this? So the SIDBI has announced partnerships with multiple stakeholders to help the MSMEs, okay, to provide the credit guarantee for the MSMEs. The German Development Agency has come forward. So this is for helping the MSMEs to become more energy efficient in their operations to support India's Sustainable Development Goals 2030 targets. So the 2030 targets is to reduce the emission intensity of its GDP by 45% by 2030 from its 2005 levels. So you can understand that SIDBI is working towards helping the MSMEs reach to the energy efficiency, reach to the cleaner MSMEs, greener MSMEs, and for that SIDBI is doing partnership with different organizations. It has recently partnered with B also. Okay, the B and the MSME Ministry has also jointly run a collaborative platform Samiksha. So they have launched Samiksha, that is small and medium enterprises energy efficiency knowledge sharing. So they are sharing the knowledge so that we can promote the clean energy technologies and practices among the MSMEs, so that the MSMEs can become more green, more clean, so that they can reduce the pollution, they can reduce the emissions that they are doing. Okay. So I hope you have understood both the news articles very clearly. This is the first question that I hope you can easily answer, and this is the second question. Again, direct names can come, or they can even ask that the touch debit card has been launched by the Union Bank of India. What is the name of that product? So Union Sparsh or other names they can give. Okay. So these were the people that gave the right answer of the previous session question. Shubham, Anand, Vardman, Yash, Rishabh, Riya, Rekha. Well done, you guys. Very good. So now, thank you very much, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel, join the Telegram channel. The PDF of this session you will get in our Telegram channel, and do mail us here if you have any query. You can contact us through this number also. Thank you very much, everyone.